Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Grok 3 on Windows step by step. First, open your web browser like Google Chrome and search for Grok. From the search results, click on the official Grok website to make sure you're on the correct page. Once the website opens, go to the top right corner of your browser and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down, select option Cast, Save and Share. Then you'll see an option called Install Grok. Click on it. Now, a small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Simply click on Install, and the Grok app will start installing on your system. After a few seconds, the app will open automatically. You'll now have Grok installed as a desktop app on your Windows PC. You can also find it added to your desktop or start menu, making it easy to access anytime. And that's it. That's how you can quickly install Grok 3 on your Windows computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.